In the real estate and mortgage business today, there are two highly different but influential groups. The mortgage bankers and realtors that are experts, and the proverbial hacks that will steal your time and money. These are their stories. You know it's my creed to always save you jack on your shack, but I also want to make sure that you and your loved ones don't fall victim to these losers and scumbags that'll steal your hard-earned money. Hey, it's your buddy, it's your mortgage guy, Jamie Millheiser here, and it's another edition of our Bozo Zone. And today we're going to talk about these scumbags that will try to steal about $100 from you via the mail right after you close on your mortgage. Finally, just last week, a client of ours emailed a copy over so we could take a look at it. To better explain this scam, let's first talk about what actually occurs when you either refinance your mortgage or if you buy a new home. Whether refinancing your current mortgage or buying a new property, it's important that you understand that when there's deed activity or lien activity on a piece of real estate, those documents are then recorded at your local county's Register of Deeds office. That being said, they then become public record. When a document becomes public record, it is not only easily retrievable, but very inexpensive to get a copy of. Number two, when you do perform a mortgage transaction, either your loan officer, your mortgage company, or the title company you worked with will forward you recorded copies of the documents that are pertinent to the transaction within a month after it closes. So, now that you know that when you perform a mortgage transaction, you will either A, get a copy from your mortgage or title pros that helped you on your deal, or let's say you didn't, they're easily recoverable and for a very small fee you can get a copy. Would you pay someone $100 for them? Of course you wouldn't. Now I know, it's easy to say that now that I've explained the document process to you, but most consumers don't know that. Maybe you didn't even before this video. And that is exactly what these direct mail predators will prey on. Here are a couple images of what these mailers will look like. Notice how they press the importance of you owning these documents and having a copy, as well as, and this is perfect, they even give you a deadline, a sense of urgency to make sure that you get this money to them ASAP. So how does this scam exactly work? Well, as we discussed, once you have mortgage activity, those documents are recorded at your local Register of Deeds. So it's easy for these scammers to track this type of activity, and once they see the document, they know your name and your mailing address. They follow up with you a couple weeks after your transaction's completed and give you the idea that they're the agency to go through to retrieve these ever-important documents. That's their angle. They press the importance, they give you a deadline, and they bilk you out of your money. But in today's installment, we're talking mail. If you get anything that you're not 100% sure is either from your loan officer, your mortgage company, or the title company you close a transaction with, contact your originating loan officer or a trusted mortgage professional in your area. If you or your loved ones have any questions about mortgages in general or weird stuff you're getting in the mail about your mortgage, feel free to reach out to me right here. This is your buddy, your mortgage guy, saving you jack on your shack.
Hey, follow me on Twitter